Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Potato experiment time. I do one every year, I think. Last year it was, can I grow some shop-bought Madeleine potatoes? Which I did, and they worked out well. The year before was, I put potatoes in a bucket of rabbit poo. And I got potatoes from that, and you can see both those videos. Just look at my pet playlists for 2017 Madeleine shop-bought potatoes, and 2016 what does rabbit poo do for you? But this year's experiment is going to be, can I grow a potato in wood chips? Now, as I've told you, the council have been along and demolished all my trees on the waste ground that I take Mason for a walk. Sorry about the noise in here, but they've cut down the trees, the branches and the bushes. They have put through a wood chipper, and there's piles and piles of wood chips. I've waited for a couple of weeks now to see if the council is going to come and collect them, but they haven't. So I'm going to start collecting them. And I've got one truck full of wood chips here. That potato, I thought I planted on with potatoes, but no, Mason had taken one and played with it a bit, and it was down by the side of my bed here in the polytunnel. So that's the one that I'm going to experiment with. So it's a slightly dog chewed potato, still got eyes on though, and a pile of wood chips. And I put it in this, I'm going to put it in this green bucket so I don't accidentally mix it up with my other potatoes, because hopefully I'm going to be able to get some more wood chips and use them for you know, covering the potatoes when they come through the ground, because you can earth them up with grass cuttings, newspaper and anything. So I'll be doing it with wood chips if the council hasn't moved them. But I'm going to get started. I'll show you when I've done it. So there is one potato in among all them wood chips. I did put some 6X in. Sorry again about the wind. I did put some 6X in with it, just to help it a bit, and watered it in. And I'm going to leave it here in the polytunnel until I need the space when it'll go outside, because today is the 1st of May and I've done nothing apart from plant some things outside, and so I want to do more. So I'll show you where it stands at the moment. As you see, there's nothing really apart from I've sorted off some onions. There's that potato I've just done, and that's it for my polytunnel. Nothing else is done. So hopefully by the end of this week I'll have loads of seeds sown in here, and we'll see what else. Thank you. Bye.
It's a